Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing an easy festive makeup look using all Mamaearth products only. I'm going to be using Mamaearth Color Care range, which is their makeup line, and I absolutely love each and every product. I feel like they are competing with most of the top brands in India. That is how good quality their makeup line is, and especially their foundation and their lipsticks. I absolutely love these. I think the formulation of these products is amazing. So I'm going to be using all Mamaearth products only to create a festive makeup look, and you can pretty much wear this makeup look for Rakhi, for Ganpati, for Diwali, or for any Indian festival. Before I begin with makeup, I'm just going to do a little bit of skincare, and firstly I'm going to be using this Skin Illuminate Serum by Mamaearth. This has vitamin C and turmeric in there, and it adds a beautiful glow on the skin. You can see how dewy my skin looks with the help of the serum. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using this Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Moisturizer. I feel like this is great for oily skin because it's very lightweight and it's in the form of a gel, and it's non-oily, non-greasy, blends so well into the skin. Before I start doing my base makeup, I'm just going to hydrate my lips using this Mamaearth Cherry Tinted Lip Balm. This hydrates the lips. It gives your lips such a beautiful natural looking tint, and the best part is that this is made of 100% natural ingredients only. I'm done with prepping the skin. Now let's move on to foundation. I'm using this Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation in the shade 03 Nude Glow. This is my current favorite foundation, and I've been using it on and on ever since I got my hands on this, and it just adds such a beautiful glow on the skin while covering up your blemishes, while giving you that coverage, and it looks so natural at the same time. I just cannot get over how good this foundation is. So I'm done with blending the foundation, and as you can see, my skin looks so natural. It doesn't really look like I have any base makeup on. My skin looks so natural, yet the foundation has managed to cover up all of my blemishes. And can you see that dewiness that's going on my skin? Can you see that glow that's going on? This is exactly what I was talking about. This is the reason why I absolutely love this foundation. The finish that it gives to your skin is amazing. Like, you can see that for yourself. Mamaearth also has a concealer, but unfortunately I don't have it yet. It's a very new launch, so let me know if you guys want to see a review on that. Anywho, I'm just going to use the same foundation. I have a little bit of it left on my hand. I'm just going to use that under my eyes to cover up my dark circles. Next up, to set my base in place, I'm using this Mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact Powder in the shade 02 Creme Glow. I love the sleek packaging that this has. You can easily carry it while traveling or in your purse, and it also comes with a mirror and a powder puff, so you don't need a separate brush or separate mirror. Everything is just here. So I'm going to be using the same powder puff that it comes with. This mattifies your skin and it gives you a beautiful coverage. You're going to see now. Can you see that? And for the rest of your skin, you just want to touch it very gently, like a feather touch, and then just feather touch it on your skin as well. It's going to help to set the base. It's going to help to mattify the skin. Moving on to the rest of the face makeup, Mamaearth doesn't really have a blush or a highlighter, so we're going to have to multitask using other products. So I have a couple of Mamaearth lipsticks with me. These are their Moist Matte lipsticks, and the formulation of these is really good. They're enriched with avocado and vitamin E, and they're non-drying, they're matte, they help to hydrate the lips a little bit, and they're very long lasting. So I think I'm gonna use them on my lips as well as on my cheeks and on my eyelid. I think I'm gonna go for the pink shade. This one. This is Mamaearth Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade 03 Candlelicious Pink. I'm just swatching some lipstick at the back of my hand, and with the help of the beauty blender I'm just going to pick up the product and apply it on my cheeks. It looks so beautiful. I'm repeating the same on the other side. And whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'm just going to apply it on my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I'm picking up a little bit of the lipstick with my finger and just applying it on my lid, just to give it that hint of color. Then again, Mamaearth doesn't have a highlighter, so I'm going to be using this lip balm. This is Mamaearth Tinted Lip Balm in the Upton variant. So I'm just going to apply this on my cheekbones. And just blend it. And can you see that glow? And I'm also taking a little bit of it on the bridge of my nose. And I think the lip balm has done a fabulous job of highlighting my skin. I really love how glowing it's made my skin look. So moving on to eyes, I'm using this new product that I just got my hands on. This is Mamaearth Soothing Waterproof Eyeliner, and this contains almond oil and castor oil. I've never tried this, not even opened it yet. You can see that it's sealed. They claim that it gives you that pigment in just one stroke. And that is so true. You can see how jet black that looks. I'm just gonna apply a normal winged eyeliner with the help of this. I am super impressed with this eyeliner. It is so pigmented. I just had to go in like once to apply it and it applied so well. And even the tip of this is like very easy to use. It's so convenient. Now Mamaearth doesn't have an eyebrow filler yet, so I'm gonna do some jugaad here. I'm using this Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. And what I'm doing is that very lightly, like with a feather hand, I'm just drawing the bottom part of my eyebrow. So I'm just outlining it on the bottom, just like that. And before this sets in place, I'm using this eyebrow brush, and with the spoolie end I'm just gonna brush the product through my eyebrows to disperse it out. And that's gonna add some pigment on my eyebrows, make them look a little darker and filled in. And you can see the difference that this makes. And lastly, to finish off the makeup look, I'm using the same lipstick that we use as a blush and on the lid. This is Mamaearth Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade 03 Candelicious Pink. The color looks so bright and beautiful, and it's so comfortable on the lips. And as you just saw, in just one swipe, it gave me such an amazing rich color payoff. It's so pigmented. I'm finishing off the makeup look with some earrings, applying some bindi, adding some accessories. So that's the final look, and I love how it turned out. The makeup turned out to be so beautiful, so easy to do, and so wearable at the same time. And you can pull this off for so many Indian festivals. I think it looks so beautiful. So yeah, in case if you want to check any of these products that I used in today's video, they're all available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can also shop them from Mamaearth's website or their app, where if you use my coupon code Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. All the shopping links are mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. I highly recommend you place an order on Mamaearth's website, because they'll link your order to a treat that they planned, or you can shop from their app, where you'll get early access to sales and discounts, and you'll be saving on more money. So in case if you end up recreating this makeup look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. And also in case if you try out any of the products that I use in today's video, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. I absolutely love each and every product, and my two main recommendations from this video would be the foundation and the lipsticks. They are amazing and a must try for everyone. So that was my video for today. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.